Acer PICASSO E Service Training Film. Welcome to the PICASSO E Service Training video. This video, together with the service guide provided in this training package, will give you an overview of the product. We'll highlight the product features and guide you through the disassembly and the reassembly procedures of the unit. Please note that before service disassembly, you should take off watches and jewelry, such as rings and necklaces. Wear an ESD, electrostatic discharge, wristband to avoid electrostatic discharge. On the edge of the unit you can see power button, headphone jack, micro USB port, micro SD card port, reset button, microphone, lock switch, volume key, DC in jack. Main unit disassembly. Hold main unit and detach the left I/O cover up with finger. Open the SD card port cap. And then detach the left I/O cover down with finger. Insert the pointed tool in DC in jack. And then detach the right I/O cover. Remove 4 screws from the main unit. Unlock all locking latches. And then detach the lower case. Disconnect the battery cable from the main board connector. Release the tape. Remove 7 screws from the battery. Remove the battery from the main unit. Release the tape. And disconnect the panel cable from the main board. Release the mylar and disconnect the panel cable from the panel, then detach it. Release the tape on the speaker cable and the touchscreen cable. Disconnect the speaker connector from the main board. Disconnect the touchscreen cable connector from the main board. Disconnect the touchscreen cable connector from the touch control board and remove it. Disconnect the LVDS connector from the touch control board. Remove 3 screws from the speaker module. Remove the speaker module. Disconnect the microphone from the main board and remove it. Disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna cable from the main board. Disconnect the DC-in cable from the main board and remove DC-in jack. Release the foil tapes and detach the Wi-Fi antenna cable from the main unit. Disconnect the GPS antenna from the main board and remove it. Remove 7 screws from the main board. Remove the main board from the main unit. This completes the PICASSO E disassembly procedure.